Hello and welcome to the Fixit Shed. So this week I've got a vacuum cleaner that has ceased to function, and I'm suspecting this might be the reason. This is kind of what happens when you trip over it. But I'm going to fix this first and make sure that that solves the problem. Alright, so let's loosen the screws in the face first. Okay, and loosen the strain relief. All right. This one looks pretty good. This one looks like yeah, that is melted into the plastic. That's the only thing that was holding that in there. Alright, so I'm going to strip these down a little bit, make them a little bit shorter so that it's easier to get the strain relief on there. So I'm going to disconnect both of them. Is there any difference? So this one, this side's a little bit red, so the black goes on the red side. Yeah. I don't know if you can see. This one has a little bit of a red color to it. So let's see. Alright, so, and I'm going to shorten these a bit. They don't need to be quite that long. So I'm going to cut them off. There. There. And I'm going to trim a bit of the insulation off of each. Alright, now I'm going to tuck these back in here. Do the black on the red side. And the white on the other side. Good. Tighten this one. Alright, now fit this back in. that's in. All right, now this should be able to get a better bite on the insulation and hold it tighter rather than just being tight down on the wires. All right, now we should be good to go. So we'll plug it in and test it. All right, it's on. All right, vacuum cleaner works. All right, guys, so the vacuum cleaner is back in service with a much healthier looking plug. So if you enjoyed this video, got something out of it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Take care.